There are basic shapes underneath the shapes button. Square, circle, triangle, diamond, pentagon, hexagon, star, octagon, heart, and a score line. Now once you have an image or a shape in here, you can move it around and resize it using either the double arrow in the corner, or you can go up here and say that you want it, it's like 5 inches big. So because it's a square, it made it perfectly 5 by 5. But if I take this little lock and unlock it, or this lock right here, either one of them does the trick. And I unlock it, now I could say I want 5 by 7. And now it's a 5 by 7 rectangle because I unlocked it. And now if I want to relock it, it's going to keep it a rectangle that I can resize. And if I want to change the color, I can do that over here. This is cut it or copy it. Oh, here's something, let's do this. We did a heart in here, and I wanted to make it upside down. I could flip it that way, or I can just grab this and rotate it around. Again, you can lock and unlock. Over here, say I put these both on here, but wasn't sure if I really wanted to cut the heart. I can turn that eye off, and that allows me to turn off the shape. Something I use a lot under shapes is the score line. So if I was making a card, and then I put the score line in here, and say I want that exactly in the center, I can highlight both the score and the rectangle. I can say align it to the center, and then I will click attach to attach the score line to that rectangle, so now they're all one piece, so I can make a card. So that is some of the things you can do with shapes.